Right, here we go. The main body, I stripped all the green paint off because it was clearly hand painted. It was painted over the some of the brass fittings as well. You can't get decent paint stripper nowadays, so we just got some standard paint stripper from B&Q or wherever. But the difference is I left it on for 24 hours, put it on, left it on for about an hour, gave it a good rub in, gave it a second coat after an hour, and just decided to leave it for 24 hours, and that seemed to do the trick. They're nowhere near as good as they used to be. Then what I did was left the main body in a tub of white vinegar, just to get rid of all the stain, and there was a lot of staining underneath the paint. And I've just given it a good scrub up, and everything is coming together. So we've got all the shiny bits to go back on now. So I'll bore you no more, and we'll just get straight on and see how quickly it goes back together. Mustn't forget this is a left-hand thread. Still not entirely sure what it is for, but it looks nice anyway. I've decided not to go to the fibre washers. I've gone for some rubber seals. I tried the fibre washers for fitting. They didn't fit very well, and they didn't seem to look as though they're going to give it as good a seal. And they weren't originally fibre. They were some kind of well, they were fibre. They were more of a material than actually your standard red stroke brown fibre washers. So this should do the trick. I'm not going to be using it to water the moss with. The moss seems to be quite happy on its own in the garden, so it can stay that way. Oh. Yep. Seals. Right, so it's seal first. Then copper, then spring, and vice versa underneath. So I'll get that in. I have put a little bit of Vaseline stroke petroleum jelly on it to start with, just to make sure that those rubber seals are given a good opportunity and don't get snagged. That's it. There we go, and the same procedure on the other side. Washer, seal, and that. Wrong way, I think. Yep, wrong way. Just does not want to go back in. Obviously it's because there's a spring in there as well, so it's putting, there we go, putting under a bit more pressure. There we go. And now hopefully my little circlip's going to do the job on it. If I can pick it up. There, and what that'll do is just give it the extra support, obviously from previously where that little retaining washer thing snapped from. That's all finished now. I've given it a good coating of protective spray, just what I use on my motorbikes, things like that. So that's just all based. That'll give it a good bit of ongoing protection. So hopefully that rust and corrosion will be kept at bay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave any comments, like and subscribe if you want to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.